Garmin 2519LM LCD screen replacement. Very easy to do. I think everyone can do it if you follow some simple instructions. You have 4 screws. You just need a Torx T5 Screw Driver. So take the screws off from the back. The screen will come off with the frame, so don't take the screen apart yet, only take it completely with the frame. To do that, you need to find a gap anywhere where it seems that it's loose a bit. Just find a gap, slide the pry tool in and gently push it apart. Go all around. Nothing to damage underneath here if you don't go too deep. Okay, after the device is loose like this, the screen, lift it gently on the back. And here what you need to do is to lift up this white strip that is over the LCD screen flex. Lift it up. When it's open, just slide the screen out. Don't pull up, just slide. Okay. As you see, the screen sits on a frame. Most of the people, what they will do, they will preheat the frame in order to take it out. If you do that, you will make the glue to be softer, and after you can pry off the screen from the frame more easily, but can be done also without any hot air applied on this. The way I do it is I switch it on the back, go on the slim side first and try to pry it off like this, and after just go on the front, slide the finger here and gently push back till you make the glue to become softer. Okay, when it's here, do the same thing again. Start from the frame and gently find the gap. What is happening on this slim edge is not enough glue, so that will come off very easily. Do the same on the other side. Just hold the screen and push to remove it. Some of the cases the glue will remain there, and some of them will come off. If the glue comes off, what you need to do is to purchase some double-sided tape, put the tape on the frame all around, and after install the new screen. On these devices there are at least several different LCD screens, so before you purchase this screen, please check the serial number to match the one you have. Otherwise you'll have different problems like white screen or who knows what. Okay, now get the new screen. It's very easy to know the position because you have a hole for the microphone and must go on the same hole from the frame. So hold the hand on the ribbon flex, start from the corner, align it in the corner there, gently go all around, and put it back on the frame. If you had the glue, that frame, it will be solid in place. Now to place it back, hold the hand on the ribbon on the back, lift the flap and slide it in. When you slide it in, be careful and check if it's deep enough in the connector, and after close the white strip over the flex, and now you can close it back. Okay, after you check that all the edges are correctly fitted and they are back in place, you can put the screws back. It's not difficult. I think it's a repair that anyone can do. If you are not confident that you can do this repair, we will provide in the description a link to our website where you can book a repair in. We also will provide you a link to purchase the LCD screen in case you need it. That's it. Thanks guys for watching.